The episode analysis reveals how Family Guy uses petty hypocrisy as a secret moral engine guiding Peter and Lois. Lois clearly appears as the steadiness amid chaos, wielding sharp wit and quiet resilience. Brian and Stewie's evolving bond unfolds through sly callbacks that move from buddy comedy to reluctant partners. Hidden details like background props and cutaway timing show careful choreography that keeps humor tethered to character. Together, these layers turn the show into a character-driven mosaic rather than a string of punchlines.